Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your Instagram theme to black. As you guys can see, my current Instagram theme is white, so I'm going to change it into black by the end of this video. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to turn this into black, there is no such setting on your Instagram. You need to do it from your phone's setting. So by that I mean just close Instagram for right now and then go on your phone's settings. So I'm going on my iPhone setting, and on your phone setting you can see this option called display and brightness. If you don't see it, then scroll a bit down and you will see the option display and brightness. Just click on it. Once you're in display and brightness, at the top where it says appearance, right now I'm on light mode. That's why everything is white. So if I go on dark, everything is going to turn dark just like this. And that means my Instagram is also going to go on dark mode now. Now I can just open my Instagram again, and as you guys can see, my Instagram is now on dark mode. So that's how you guys can change theme on Instagram into black by changing it from your phone setting. You can't do it from inside Instagram because Instagram does not have any settings, alright? So that's how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful on how to change your Instagram theme to black, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future Instagram related videos just like this. I will see you guys in the future video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.